Hello everyone. So Moscow now resembles Mordor with a huge fire over the city. A fire so powerful that it's actually started to melt the bridge you could see, going over the area of the blaze. So this is a huge fire, and it follows a absolutely massive drone strike in the Moscow region. Online sources reporting Ukraine fired up to 600 drones to buzz Moscow. And as we saw in the video which I did earlier, there were some successful hits, notably on the oil depot there. Now, this one here, the fire, is reported at a paint factory. Russian authorities have been quick to say that this was not the result of a drone strike or sabotage. These are the same Russian sources, by the way, which routinely report that all drones were shot down and just debris landed on the oil refinery, or claim that the Moskva hadn't sunk when it was already a submarine. I don't think it's a coincidence that this is burning during the middle of a massive drone strike by Ukraine today. I don't see that Ukraine would deliberately target a paint factory or warehouse, which is what this building is. I'm inclined to think this could either be a misfiring Russian SAM clattering into it, as we saw earlier when one hit a Moscow street, or a drone was jammed and crashed into it. We saw a couple of apartment blocks hit by jammed drones earlier as well. Now, this is certainly a huge fire though, and you can see with the photo it's melting the bridge. Before we have a look at where this is, a video here from the drone strikes today, where Chubby Brown watches a drone going overhead. I'll play it now because it made me laugh.
Еще один летит где-то, блядь. Вот он, падла, блядь. Сука. Вот он, гаденыш, тоже над головой. Падла. Сука, это Яуза, блядь. Второй уже, сука. Небось на капотне, пидоры, блядь. Второй точно летит, и опять не попали по нему, блядь. Сука.
So this is here, the road's now closed. The warehouse or factory actually going underneath the motorway, which is why it's in such a perilous condition. And zoomed out, you can see that this is in the northeastern part of Moscow. Now, we need to wait for more information to see if this was hit by anything. As mentioned, Russia said it wasn't, just Private Sigaretikov making his rounds again. But when Russia says something, I'm always inclined to think the opposite is true. So that's it for this video. Hope you found it interesting. Thanks so much and take care, everybody.